Hi everyone, my name is Miguel López. I am the tennis professional and the manager at the Punta Mita Racquet Center. And in the next series of videos, we will show you a few tips that will help you for your tennis game, for your pickleball game, and for your paddle game. Please let us know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we will follow up with what we did in the last one, where we were practicing warming up and the dinking game, the soft feel. But now we're gonna practice it in a different way, where we're practicing the famous third shot. Everybody talks about the third shot. It's very important. It is very important. When you're serving, you're trying to serve with some length. When you're returning also, it's good to return with some length and depth, so you have a good chance to move up very close to the kitchen line, to the non-volley zone. So that third shot after you serve or after your partner serve is very important. If you pop up that ball, you're giving your opponent a good chance to put it away. So this is where it plays a big role, what we were just working in the last video, that soft feel, the soft hands. It's more difficult because you're all the way back on the baseline. So you're just trying to hit the ball over the net, trying to make it bounce inside the kitchen. So your opponents, they don't have a good chance to put it away. And by doing that, you give yourself the opportunity or the chance to move up, to get closer to that kitchen line as well, and to be in a better position during that point. If you're back there and your third shot, you try to whack it, to try to hit it very hard, you're gonna end up most likely giving your opponent a good chance to volley it from a height that it's easy for them to hit and to stay on the offense, while you're gonna end up playing defense during that point. If you're able to hit it low, just above the net, making it bounce inside the kitchen, you're in a better position and you don't give your opponents that advantage during that point. So practice your third shot. The drill that we did on the last video with the soft hands and the feel is a good way to practice that feel and that shot and to get better at it. So now we're gonna show you how to practice it with another person and the way to try to keep it inside the kitchen for that third shot. Now, Jorge and I, we're gonna show you how we do this drill. We're gonna imagine Jorge was returning, so he was returning either my serve or my partner's serve, and he was able to move up all the way to the kitchen, as we should. A lot of people say back there on the baseline, we don't wanna do that, so you wanna try to get all the way to the kitchen line as soon as possible. And now I'm gonna be hitting that third shot. So I'm gonna practice that third shot dink, trying to hit it just over the net. Go ahead, Jorge. Trying to hit it over the net inside the kitchen, so he doesn't have a good chance to put it away. He's gonna be in trouble over there. So I missed that one because I was trying to keep it very low. Go ahead, Jorge. Thank you. So same thing. Bien. I'm trying to hit it just over the net inside the kitchen. I couldn't dare, so he had a good chance to attack me. So he's gonna be trying to attack me when I'm not able to hit it inside the kitchen. If I end up hitting it hard, he's gonna have a good chance to put it away or to attack me. It's better trying to hit inside the kitchen so he doesn't have that chance to attack me. Nice shot, Jorge. So that way I put him more in trouble, but if I try to hit it too hard and I pop it up, he has a good chance to put it away. Thank you, Jorge.